Today we have to see the chapter differential equation. First we have to see what is definition of differential equation. Then second point is order and degree of differential equation, and then examples. In examples we find order and degree of differential equation. First we have to see definition of differential equation. See here definition is: differential equation is nothing but derivative of function is present in this equation. Means a equation which contain derivative of function. Then this equation is called as differential equation. Means suppose y equal to f of x, then its derivative, here y is function of x, then its derivative is, means differentiate y with respect to x, that is its derivative is dy by dx, and derivative of f of x is f dash x. Means dy by dx, this term is derivative of function. Here we see example of differential equation, that is dy by dx plus y equal to sin x. This is example of differential equation. Now we have to see second example, that is d2y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Here dy by dx, this is first order derivative. This is y, differentiation y with respect to x. Then again we have to differentiate dy by dx with respect to x, then its derivative is d2y by dx square. Means these two terms are derivative of function. Therefore this is example of differential equation. Next, d2y by dt square plus dy by dt equal to x. Here x and y both are functions of t. Here x and y are functions of t. Again dy by dt, this is derivative function, this is d2y by dt square, this is also derivative function. Both are present in this equation, therefore this equation is also called as differential equation. As like these examples are differential equation. Again we repeat here what is meaning or what is definition of differential equation. A equation which contain derivative of function, then this equation is called as differential equation. Now we have to see order and degree of differential equation. For order and degree, first we see derivative. In derivative we have to see higher order derivative. Higher order derivative. See here again. Higher order derivative. Means now let us suppose y equal to f of x. Here again y is function of x. Now we have to call equation number 1. Y is function of x, therefore we differentiate y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is written as dy by dx, and f of x, its derivative is written as f dash x. This is f dash x. This is also denoted by another letter y1 or y dash. Here written as 1 means first derivative, y dash single one dash, that is first derivative. This is first order derivative. First order derivative. Now we again differentiate this equation. Now suppose equation 2. Again equation 2 differentiate with respect to x. Means again differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. That is derivative of dy by dx equal to derivative of f dash x. This is also denoted by C here. Derivative of dy by dx is written as d2y by dx square equal to derivative of d by dx means derivative of f dash x. This is denoted by f double dash x. This is also denoted by another some letter. Here first derivative is denoted by y1. Similarly, this is second derivative, it is denoted by y2, or this is denoted by y double dash. This is called as second order derivative. Call this equation number 3. Now again differentiate, means differentiate equation differentiate equation 3 with respect to x. That is d2y by dx square and its derivative is denoted by d3y by dx cube. Derivative of f double dash x, this is denoted by f triple dash x. This is also denoted by y3, or this is denoted by y triple dash. This is also called as third order derivative. We see this part, first order, second order, third order in higher order derivative in derivative chapter. Means dy by dx is first order, d2y by dx square is second order, d3y by dx cube, this is third order. Okay. Now we have to see next order and degree of differential equation. First we see its definition. Definition of order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. Differential equation is shortly denoted by DIFF, differential equation. Order of differential equation is the highest order derivative present in the equation or appearance in the equation. Order of differential equation is nothing but highest order derivative. In your equation, which equation is highest order, then this is order of differential equation. Means दिलेल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये तुमच्या इक्वेशन मध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फर्स्ट ऑर्डर आहे का सेकंड ऑर्डर आहे का थर्ड ऑर्डर आहे का फोर्थ ऑर्डर आहे, अशा पद्धतीने हे आपण अजून लिहू शकतो. आणि जे हायेस्ट ऑर्डर आहे, सेकंड ऑर्डर असेल, थर्ड ऑर्डर असेल, फोर्थ ऑर्डर असेल, ते म्हणजेच तुमचं ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन आहे. आणि नंतर डिग्रीचं डेफिनेशन, डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन पाहूया. डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. Degree of differential equation is nothing but degree of differential equation is the power of highest order derivative present in the equation. Degree of differential equation is the power of highest order derivative present in the equation. Equation मध्ये जे highest order आहे त्याचा power म्हणजेच काय आहे, degree of differential equation. Now we have to see first one example. d2y by dx square bracket raised to 3 plus dy by dx plus y equal to 5. Now we find its order and degree. Order is nothing but here. Order of differential equation is highest order derivative. Here, this is function y. This is dy by dx means first order derivative, and d2y by dx square. d2y by dx square means this is second order derivative. In this equation, highest order, this is first order, this is second order. Therefore, its order is d2y by dx square. Therefore, its order is 2. And now we have to see degree. Degree of a differential equation is nothing but power of highest order derivative. जे हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे त्याचा पॉवर, त्याचा इंडेक्स. इथं हायेस्ट ऑर्डर आहे सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर. त्याचा पॉवर किती आहे पहा, 3 आहे. त्यामुळं त्याची डिग्री असणार आहे 3. नाउ वी हॅव टू सी सेकंड एक्झाम्पल अगेन. d3y by dx cube plus dy by dx bracket raised to 4 plus y equal to sin x. Now see here again, this is y function, this is dy by dx function, means dy by dx is nothing but first order derivative, and this is d3y by dx cube, that is third order derivative. आपल्याला ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री पार्ट काढायची आहे. ऑर्डर काय येत आहे पहा इथं. दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, दिस इज थर्ड ऑर्डर, हायेस्ट ऑर्डर दॅट इज 3. देअरफॉर हिअर ऑर्डर इज 3. नाउ वी वॉन्ट डिग्री. डिग्री काय आहे, हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्हचं पॉवर. इथं आपल्याला dy बाय dx त्याचा इंडेक्स 4 आहे आणि इथं d3y बाय dx क्यूब हा हायेस्ट ऑर्डर आहे आणि त्याचा इंडेक्स. मग आपल्याला डिग्रीमध्ये काय लागतो, हायेस्ट ऑर्डरचा पॉवर, हायेस्ट ऑर्डरचा इंडेक्स. त्यामुळे d3y बाय dx क्यूब ह्याचा पॉवर काही नाही म्हणजे 1 नसतो. जनरली 1 आपण असं लिहित नाही, पण तो 1 असतो. त्यामुळे डिग्री इथं येणार आहे 1. येते लक्षात. ऑर्डर म्हणजे तुमच्या दिलेल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये कोणता हायेस्ट ऑर्डर आहे पहा, तो ऑर्डर. आणि डिग्री म्हणजे त्या हायेस्ट ऑर्डरचा इंडेक्स, हायेस्ट ऑर्डरचा पॉवर, म्हणजेच डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. अशा पद्धतीनं ऑर्डर अँड डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन काढायचं. नाउ वी हॅव टू सी इट्स एक्झाम्पल. हिअर वी सी वन नोट. ऑर्डर अँड डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन आर ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर. ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री हे दोन्ही कसे असले पाहिजेत, पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजरच असले पाहिजेत. ऑर्डर अँड डिग्री ऑफ एनी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन कॅन नॉट बी निगेटिव्ह इंटिजर ऑर फ्रॅक्शन. डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनची ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री कधीही निगेटिव्ह नसतं, तसंच फ्रॅक्शन देखील नसतं. ते पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजरच असायला पाहिजे आणि असतं, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट नोट. नाउ वी हॅव टू सी एक्झाम्पल्स. Questions here. Determine order and degree of differential equation. Here example is d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y equal to 2 sin x. This is simple equation. इथं आपल्याला सिंपल इक्वेशन का म्हटलं तर इथं आपल्याला सिम्प्लिफाय करावं लागत नाही म्हणून. फंक्शन y आहे dy by dx and d2y by dx square. In this equation, highest order is d2y by dx square. Means order is d2y by dx square. Means order is 2. And next degree. Degree of differential equation is power of highest order derivative. Highest order is d2y by dx square and its power. Its power is here 1. Therefore, degree of differential equation is 1. Now we have to see order and degree. Next, second example is dy by dx equal to 2 sin x plus 3 divided by dy by dx. Here in LHS the term dy by dx is present. Also in RHS in denominator dy by dx term is present. Therefore, we first simplify this equation, that is taking cross multiplication, means dy by dx into cross multiply dy by dx equal to 2 sin x plus 3. dy by dx into dy by dx, its product is dy by dx bracket square, and this is RHS is same as 2 sin x plus 3. इथपर्यंत आपलं हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. ह्याच्या पुढे आपल्याला सिम्प्लिफाय करायची गरज नाही किंवा सिम्प्लिफाय होत नाही. ठीक आहे. आता इथं आपल्याला ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री काढायचं आहे. ऑर्डर इज dy by dx means first order derivative is present, that is here order is 1 and power of highest order derivative, here power is 2 and this 2 is degree. Therefore, degree of differential equation is 2. काही वेळेला आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल असे सिम्प्लिफाय करून मग त्याचा ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री काढावं लागतं आणि ते सिम्प्लिफाय करूनच काढायचं, त्याशिवाय काढायचं नाही. Now we have to see next example. Here question is same as find order and degree of differential equation. Cube root of 1 plus dy by dx bracket square equal to d2y by dx square. Cube root is nothing but, this equation is also written as 1 plus dy by dx bracket square and cube root is written as bracket raised to 1 by 3. This is equal to RHS is d2y by dx square. Here index is your fraction, therefore we can't find order and degree. First we bracket raised to 1 by 3, this term cancelled, means taking cube both sides. जर cube root असेल तर दोन्ही बाजूचा आपण cube करायचा, त्यामुळे लिहिणार taking cube both sides, taking cube both sides. Therefore 1 plus dy by dx bracket square raised to 1 by 3 and it's raised to 3 equal to RHS is d2y by dx square bracket raised to 3. Here we use a raised to m and raised to n equal to a raised to m into n, means product of m into n, that is 1 by 3 into 3, value is 1. Therefore 1 plus dy by dx bracket square and its raised to 1 by 3 into 3 means 1, that is the term becomes 1 plus dy by dx bracket square and in RHS d2y by dx square bracket raised to 3. Here now we have to take all terms in one side, that is d2y by dx square bracket cube, both these terms get to RHS, then changing the signs, then dy by dx bracket square minus 1 equal to 0. dy by dx means first order derivative, d2y by dx square is second order derivative. Here order is highest order, therefore we say that order of this equation is d2y by dx square, means order is 2 and power of highest order, here power is 3, therefore degree equal to 3. Order is 2 and degree is 3. In this way we simplify given equation in another form, or here index is fraction. In whenever your index is fraction, then we can't find order and degree. Next, fourth example is here x plus d2y by dx square equal to square root 1 plus d2y by dx square and its square. Here again square root is present. Whenever square root is present, then we take square of both sides. Therefore, taking square both sides, taking square both sides. Therefore, x plus d2y by dx square and its square equal to 1 plus d2y by dx square and its square, and then we have to square its bracket. Here in RHS, square root and square both are cancelled with each other. Therefore, x plus d2y by dx square whole bracket square equal to, in term RHS, 1 plus d2y by dx square and its square. In LHS as well as RHS, see here d2y by dx square second order term. In RHS, d2y by dx square, this is second order term. Both second order term is present. Therefore, we simplify LHS. A plus b bracket square. Therefore, we expand x square plus 2x into d2y by dx square plus d2y by dx square and its square equal to 1 plus d2y by dx square and brackets square. See the term, third term in LHS and second term on RHS. Both terms are same. Their signs are also same. Therefore, we cancel these two terms. d2y by dx square bracket square cancel, or its value is 0. Therefore, remaining part is x square plus 2x d2y by dx square equal to 1. That is, this equation is written as 2x d2y by dx square plus x square minus 1 equal to 0. See here, highest order derivative. Here highest order is d2y by dx square. Therefore, order is d2y by dx square. Order is 2. And degree, power of highest order derivative. Here power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. म्हणजे जेव्हा फ्रॅक्शन येतात, स्क्वेअर रूट, क्यूब रूट येतात, त्यावेळी स्क्वेअर रूट असेल तर दोन्ही बाजूचा स्क्वेअर करा. क्यूब रूट असेल, पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपण पाहिलं, क्यूब रूट असेल तर दोन्ही बाजूचा क्यूब करायचा. इक्वेशन सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं आणि पूर्ण इक्वेशन सिम्प्लिफाय झाल्यानंतर ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री लिहायचं. ओके.